Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Gwaan from on the ear device on the nose here, one and only Atafa the Press. Well, me just a run up and down in this one of my wisdom warrior. Me not go stay too long with Uno. You know, so me still have to come drop the hatter claps. Even though me get busy, but me still have to come drop the hatter claps. So me just kick it off like this. 2 bodies found in gully along Slipe Road. The police are investigating the discovery of 2 bodies in a gully along Slipe Road in St. Andrew. Police say the bodies of the 2 males have gunshot wounds to several sections of their bodies. My wisdom warrior, me I tell you say when me look on my phone, it me see pop up. Me say blouse and skirt. And them you see the amount of killing where take place. You see the amount of killing that is taking place. You see my wisdom warriors, and then you have Horace Chang always come out and talk about crime is reducing. And at the end come and say crime reduced by 24%. 2 days later it reach 11%. And only people get killing. I don't know how they work out that. Anyway, I don't know what go down with these 2 individuals. All I know right now, say the police I do the dope. Hear this. A suspect held in relation to school teacher's disappearance. A suspect has been taken into custody in relation to missing primary school teacher Daniel Anglin. Investigators are to conduct forensic tests to determine whether skeletal remains found in bushes in Clarendon on Monday morning are those of Miss Anglin. Deputy Commissioner of Police Fix Bailey said the man was held following a quick investigation. My wisdom warriors, take in this.
Police, in conjunction with the Clarendon Division, have carried out investigations relative to a missing person. And so far we have found skeletal remains, and those remains have been processed and have been collected for further evidentiary processing. We wouldn't want to say at this time the intricacies of the investigation, but we do say that these skeletal remains have significantly improved information that we seek in the investigations.
Boy, my wisdom warriors, you know what? It is just sad. It is just sad. And other day, I remember other day when, about 2 days ago, I come out, and I was saying, how comes the police, they now have no search party, people go out and a search. It's like them are wait for people to contact them. Why they not go out and search? Man, I do not know. I'm just like wondering how her mother is feeling right now, because remember somebody play a little clip with the mother, and the mother was crying and stuff like that. She was in tears. She's in pain because she was begging. She was begging and praying to God to help bring her daughter home. Man. You know what? It just rough. And me always I say to the people them in Jamaica, me as I say, boy, you fi just stop the killing, man. You can just get up and kill off one another, so man. Me always come here and I encourage you them. You stop do that, man. Crime and violence is not the way. Too much pain, man. Too much pain. But my wisdom warriors, want to tell me what to think about this. I just want to say rest in peace, and my condolence goes out to the family. Hear this. My wisdom warriors, according to the article, I never know say poisoning had a season. I never know that. My wisdom warriors, I wonder what me I talk about. Hear this. In many cases, they turn up at the Bustamante Hospital for children's accident and emergency section in pain with difficulty breathing or vomiting. As the poisons make their way through their nimble system, all the time their parents close in tow, panicking and choking with guilt. I don't know if a story this year or a statement them I make. I do not know. Or it's just a comment. I don't understand. What una try say to we? What una say? Eh? And then for them title is poisoning season. I never know say. I never know say out of the year we have a poisoning season. Una didn't know that? Me I telling about this paper. What una tell we? What are you guys suggesting? Come in and understand what I say, you know. This come like a story. In many cases, they turn up at the Bustamante Hospital for children accident and emergency section in pain with difficulty breathing or vomiting as the poisons make their way through their nimble system. What poison? What I talk about? Me not understand. Hey, if we not come talk something, come and talk something. What are you guys suggesting? Are you saying that a lot of children is turning up at Bustamante Hospital and they body poison? That's why they have difficulty breathing. What una say? What una say? Listen, so when una come out and I write something, make we know. Because me no know what I suggest. Because me I read this and to me the only thing me get from it is babies are turning up at the hospital. Children are turning up at the hospital having difficulty breathing, in pain, them a vomit, and una say the poison make their way through their body. What poison wanna talk about? My wisdom warrior, you know, so we have to look into this Bustamante Hospital because according to the Gleaner, them put out say doctors, expert warn parents to protect children. They want parents to protect children. So what is going on? Does that mean it pitney them a poison from? What me not understand. What una say? Doctors and experts want parents to protect children. Yes, of course, parents should protect their children. Parents should keep them eye upon them pitney at all times. But when me not understand with uno know, I never know that there was a poisoning season. My wisdom warriors, I just can't bother. Sometimes when you just talk straight, you know, and stop go round and come round. Stop the going round and come round and I write story. Let we know what is going on. Let we know how much pitney I turn up at Bustamante Hospital sick with poison at their body and what caused it. We have all right for know. We want to know the people. They need to know what is going on. You understand me? Sometimes the way owner write on a thing and twist it. Lord God. If people not have sense, me I tell you no. Wanna trick them. Uno easily convince people. My wisdom warriors, you tell me what you think about that. You can put for a suggestion in the comment section because more than likely know what the headspace at. Anyway, hear this. Security experts want modern technology used to protect state buildings. Hey, my wisdom warriors. 2 security experts are calling for better use of modern technology in securing Garden House and other high-risk state buildings. The call follows a suspected case of arson at Garden House Saturday night. It has prompted a review of the security arrangement at the 64-year-old building. My wisdom warriors. Hey, you see the way all this sound, no worry. Uno see Andrew Holness come out and attack about him $2 billion presidential parliament. And that's how him get to, you know. And that's how him get to little by little. Uno watch Andrew Holness so come and talk about him presidential parliament. Cause remember, you know, in a film head him a go be president. So since as him a go be president, my wisdom warrior, him a aim high. He might make sure the film standard is very high, my wisdom warriors, because to be a president, he want to make sure say in parliament big. You understand me? He want to make sure say in parliament big. And apparently, I'm sure say one time, like a country is republic and them have a parliament, I believe in the parliament them live. I'm pretty sure about that. You understand? Uno no say Andrew Holness $2 billion. 2 billion when say him a go build down a hero circle there. All hero circle people, uno stay there, uno better start look. Uno better go start look somewhere else for work. Uno better start look on a job somewhere else. Uno start move on a business. Cause hero circle I go turn in a parliament. Uno stay there. It look like uno no know what Gwaan. Uno no know that. Hey, uno stay there. Uno stay there, sit down and feel like say uno comfortable. Every business place where they over there, so hero circle, all of that the place that I got tear down. All of that the place that I got tear down because of this so Andrew Holness a bill in presidential parliament. He said it. And a propaganda me has spread. He say it out time own mouth. I'm read it over here phone already. You understand me? So me just want all the business people them, all of the workers them, everybody we have them business, wanna try look a job somewhere else. Or if wanna have your own business, wanna try relocate on a business somewhere different, because very soon Andrew Holness I go announcing big presidential parliament. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what to think about this. Them like to talk about modern, and then security no tight. Una security not tight, so we not talk about mother. Me say, stop follow people, because this a camera look like a somebody holding in them, and it look like you not see how a camera does a shake. I wonder if one window, it look like one window up there saying my wisdom warrior, like somebody sit down at the top, yeah, or them push out their hand and have a phone or something, or it look like it's on a computer. You understand? It look like it's a computer trick. My wisdom warriors, because me no know how they can make out that them on the face. They can make out that them on the face. This is all planting, man. This is all a planting. Because Andrew Holness really want to build the parliament, you know. He really want to build the parliament. So me no know how that the place there cost 2 billion and Cornwall Hospital cost so much billions. Boy, me no know, you know. Me no know. Something not right with the money, my wisdom warriors. Something not right with the money. But you tell me what you think about this here. Because I would like to know what you think. Seriously. Because to all me see it, Andrew Holness is creeping up if you talk about the parliament again. Can well want to believe it. Don't you think a joke thing? Remember saying claim say I'm going to be the president, you know. Remember saying hope is very high. And he thinks say I'm going to be the president. So he want to have a presidential parliament. Bombat, my wisdom warriors. Uno just storm up the comment section for me there, man. My wisdom warriors, according to Nationwide, me tell you not say anything negative, they bring across. According to Nationwide, they saying that Burchell under fire for comments on health minister hospitalization. Burchell not under no fire, uno stop spread propaganda. Uno stop tell lie pan her. She not under no fire. We love the work that she's doing. We like how she has stand up for the Jamaican people. Jamaican people, don't be fooled. Do not defend Christopher Tufton. If you have sense, if you really defend Christopher Tufton, Jamaican people, dog are gonna nyam uno supper. Uno too fool. I'm telling you already, me not go single out anybody the cap fit. Uno go wear it, you know. Uno go wear it. Jamaican people, a man will come give uno. That's something there. And tell you no ray. And too much people die. You know sound no nonsense. You know sound no nonsense. Nikisha Burchell, on the behalf of the Jamaican people, we love you. We love the work that you are doing. You're not depend on fire. Not a fire, them and make it look like that. You go and go post the people them. Nationwide, you need to go post the people them who are dual citizenship, American citizen in an Andrew cabinet. And that you know for post. Anything negative, bo PNP, you run with it. All when in a negative, you turn it in a negativity. You for stop it, man. You for go down today. You to Brighton out order, but she under fire. She not under no fire. Christopher Tufton she in a damn bed. And anybody a defend Christopher Tufton a real idiot and want a conk in a them head. Real fool them. How can you defend a man like that? A man have a broke wrist arm alone. He arm alone. He wrist is broken. And he in a bed. And people were sick and can't move. Not even get bed. He come like on a lick on a blouse and skirt. And no, me know say enough of a fool, you know. Me always say a lot of Jamaican people have no sense. But no, me know say you not have no rotted whole sense. Seriously. I mean, know what. This is sitting here news for the broadcast now. Me telling about these people. Mr. Nationwide not easy about she's coming under fire on social media. Not a fire she a commander. A lie. Not no go some of my wisdom warriors. Not a fire. We like how she a blaze it upon them. Me like, you know how much time she come out and a blaze it and me not soon run with it. All when she come out, she was the first person that came out and talk about the incident that happened at Gwaan House. And me not see Nationwide post that. Me not see Nationwide post that. So what I talk about? What I talk about? Me say uno say uno man. You say uno. And uno not like Jamaican people, you know. And Jamaican people, it come like they obia them are sitting. They nasty out of them damn eye. My wisdom warriors. So West Rural St. Andrew Member of Parliament, Juliet Cuthbert Fling, says Burchell comments were nasty. Me ratted. My wisdom warriors, me fi bust out a laugh. Hear what talk about nasty. Hear what talk about nasty. Toffee, go one side. Toffee Juliet Cockburn, go one side, girl. Can you come and talk the most nastiest thing about opposition leader Mark Golding? Move from yes, a dirty girl, and go. Who is you? You is nobody. You is nobody. You understand? You is nobody. Here, this a Tofisha come out now, my wisdom warriors. Me sorry for my language. Me I beg you no. I'm not just sorry for my language there. But seriously, when me hear somebody like Juliet Cockburn come out and talk about Nikisha, talk about nasty things, look on what you write about Mark Golding. Look how much nasty things are write about Mark Golding and tell people lie for Mark Golding, Tofisha. Mr. Fisher, look how much lie you tell for Mark Golding and write up the most nasty and disgusting thing about the opposition leader, and you think say you have the right to come out and talk about Nikisha. Hey girl, if you go with your tough self. My wisdom warriors, excuse me for my language, make me trace out her clot. Yeah? Just give me 30 seconds for trace out her clot. Tofisha, nobody no want to hear you because you come and disrespect opposition leader. You talk the most nastiest things about Mark Golding. So nobody come attack Nikisha, dirty girl. Tofisha, nobody no want to hear from you because he is nobody. Coupon you talk about nasty things. And that I feel voice note that me play when you cuss your own people them in the labor right. Some dirty bad word they use. And you can chat about she talk about. She said the most nastiest things. Go girl. You're tough like. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, me don't forget that off of my chest. Anyway, now, my people, wanna tell me what you think about this. You can really hear the one in Juliet Cockburn fling. You really hear her come out. The way she depend X on Twitter. Twitter is X, yeah? They used to name Twitter, now X name, yeah? She's an X. She write up the most nastiest things about Mark Golding. Juliet Cockburn fling, you know. We used to run for Jamaica. We never win a race yet. Never. And she don't want flap. She got turn MP. Hey, girl, you have to go away. You have to go down to there and leave the information minister alone. Because we not hear phone the information minister come out yet. We have to go and we have to lift up. She not said nothing wrong. She not said nothing wrong. How Christopher Tufton have a broken wrist. Have a broken wrist and in a bed. Cock up in a bed. Upon cheering for there. When the people there have broke foot. And the people there have broke hand. I want me to see them put them. Pan cheer. So what the hell? Who the hell Christopher Tufton think him is? But uno not easy. Uno bright and stink and out of order. Uno bright. Bright and out order. My wisdom warriors, don't tell me what you think about that and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. You don't have to agree with me, you know. You don't have to agree with me. Seriously. But you just tell me how you feel about this. Anyway, hear this. So my wisdom warriors, they nobody send out Young Jamaica. They send out G2000. So G2000, and you know say Nationwide put this out. So G2000, according to Nationwide, G2000 slam vulgar and false. Burchell comment following Tufton crash. One thing so we now go talk about the American citizen and the Israelites wanna have in a camp that is not part of the Commonwealth. One thing so we now go talk about that. Una make a sad mistake. Una think so una go distract we. Una think so una can distract we. That's all una do. I try to make the PNP look bad. Una can't make the PNP look bad no matter what una try do. Una can't make PNP look bad because everybody knows that Andrew Wallace administration are wicked. Everybody know that. Everybody knows that una are wicked too. So my wisdom warriors, the young professional affiliate of the JLP Generation 2000 or G2K is refuting as vulgar and false. Everything the girl come out, them talk about vulgar and false. Oh no, go man. I'm tired of you now, man. I'm tired of you now. Seriously. So anyway, because she suggests about the preferential treatment given to Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton following a recent motor vehicle. So now they must say a lie. Christopher Tufton never get no special treatment. Of course, Christopher Tufton get special treatment. Only not to say he lay down in a bed. Only not to say he lay down in a bed. Them the hospital, the bed look like a foreign bed in a. It come like you not say Gwaan. That alone show we say a special treatment him a get. So G2000 no need for shut on a dirty stinking mouth and go in and go talk about the president Go talk about the president when a young Jamaica. A fame business we want to hear about. A fame business and in dirty behavior we want to hear about. Brighton out of order. On the need to go pick the bean out of the eye before you come out and pick it out of somebody else's eye. On the Brighton rank, sir. Eh? Oh, on the rank. So my wisdom warriors, then go back and a post Juliet Cockburn fling when me already talk about. Me tell you something. When Juliet Cockburn fling, yeah, me tell you how nationwide stay. When Juliet Cockburn fling, did I say the nastiest things? And Venetia, Vegas, the whole of them. I said the nastiest things about Mark Golding. And being racist against Mark Golding. I don't see nationwide come out and talk about that. I don't see them come out and talk about that, my wisdom warriors. But then quick for jump up and talk about Nikisha Burchell. Nikisha Burchell, that's nothing wrong. She is talking and speaking for the voiceless. She is talking on the behalf of the Jamaican people. The Jamaican people, them know what them are go through. So the little 1 and 2 them we attack. I could never Jamaica them live. I must foreign them there. Because them could never live at Jamaica. Visit hospital and know what the people them are go through in the hospital. And come and defend Christopher Tufton. You know what? We don't need to stop it. My wisdom warrior, but this is a trend right now. Something is going on. Because Andrew Holness have the whole of the article them pan him side. And that me I say right now. Andrew Holness have the whole of the article them pan his side and make him look good. We only need to come out and tell the Jamaican people. Only now come out and tell the Jamaican people. Only need to make the Jamaican people know say Andrew Holness, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, never signed the code of conduct. Never signed the code of conduct. The Prime Minister of Jamaica not declaring asset for 3 years. The Prime Minister of Jamaica is under ongoing investigation from Wapikil Philip. The Prime Minister of Jamaica break all the constitutional laws, the same very laws that they are amending. Hey, and that una need to come and post. So una happy with a criminal Prime Minister. And that me realize the whole of them happy with a criminal Prime Minister. And it is disgusting. Just the thought of it. But I say una Jamaican people, you say if una wise up, you see, no for uno, you know. No for uno. Know what is going on. No for uno. But a lot of them is still sleeping. Many things that they did wake up, but it look like them drop back asleep to blouse and skirt. Cause me can't believe. My wisdom warriors, the Andrew radio station, them mouthpiece, they are out for the PNP. And Andrew Holness, to me, to all me see it, Andrew Holness, we go to the very end for win election. He will, and this is what he's doing. If I take taxpayer money and pay people, Andrew I go do it. Andrew I go do it. Because we all know saying like to use taxpayer money and waste it and do pure foolishness. And we do it. But Jamaican people, we have the angle in our hand. Protest is the way. We can't sit down and talk about vote because if the Republic sitting there, because guess what? The way I see it, if Mark Golding sign it, Andrew Holness still a go do it. Me tell you no, him still a go do it. They not care about nobody. And if me tell you no, if Jamaica become Republic, that is the end. That is the end. And that's how we done. And that's how we done. And then I go say the real thing, the real destruction I go start. But my wisdom warriors, I am praying for God to step in. I am praying for God to deal with this because God see, you know. God see and know what is going on. And the PNP, them do a very good job. And they must stand up for the people of Jamaica. They are speaking out for the voiceless. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about this. And put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Remember, if you run over to my TikTok page, run over to my IG page, follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, feel free, you can bless up my PayPal or you ask for it. Yeah, so you can bless up my PayPal. The link for the PayPal is going to be in the comment section and in my description. Thank you for everyone that has been supporting my PayPal. It means the world to me. Bless up on a nice clean self. One love.